Hello, everybody. Hello, United States of America, and my oldest Facebook friend, Mr. Trump, President of United States of America, again winning and winner. Very good. Most welcome. Thank you very much, Facebook, and all my American and European countries' Facebook friends. Give to him a good congratulation of the winning next president of this year for the 5 years of the United States of America and for our humanity, human rights, and the humankind services friend and president also in the worldwide. Most welcome, Mr. Trump, the new winning and the surprise winning and the great justice of the United States of America, the President of America, Mr. Trump. Most welcome, Mr. Trump. How are you, Mr. Trump, and your family, and all American Brotherhood, and the all humans of United States of America? Most welcome. I am thanking to Holy Greatest God. Thanks too much, forever, all the time, everywhere. God blessing us and the over praying and the over needs and our great friendship and the good relationship with humanity world and human rights world for the humankind services. Most welcome, Mr. Trump. Most welcome all United States of American Brotherhood and Humanity Brotherhood on the Facebook, on the internet, on the email, in the Instagram, in Twitter, and in our international YouTube television channel, satellite channel, to communication in the worldwide for the human right, for the humanity, human rights services, for humankind services in the worldwide for all population of the world. Most welcome. Thank you very much again. I am very happy that our great friend of Facebook, Mr. Trump, 5 years ago when he was first time won the American United States presidency. So I was too much happy. Daily, day, night, online, I was giving to him congratulations and most welcome for the humanity services in the Facebook International Our Planning and Program, which we are presenting from the 25 years, and I am presenting my international news Shah Jahan, Shahanshah Jahan, international worldwide universal magazine, amazing talking, incredible talking, and the incredible all voices of the America, all voices of the worldwide television, humanity talking studio for news magazine, for the news of the Shahanshah Jahan Alamgir and the all universal voices programming. Internet, online, Facebook, international YouTube channel, television. That time I had make the friendship with Trump, but I would not believe that Trump is my best friend in United States of America. Before the about 25 or 30 years ago, I have met the American President, Mr. Reagan. Mr. Reagan, as the very sweet and the oldest President of the United States of America. I met in Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. I met with Prince Charles, Crown Prince of the United British England, and his wife Diana, Madam Diana. Before they came in Riyadh city, so we have to meet with the Charles and Diana meeting with princes, with crown princes, and the Shah Fahad, king of the Saudi Arabia time. And Prince Charles and Diana also came there, and we met and the joint party in Riyadh city also. Prince Charles also my old friend. Mr. Reagan was the old friend. Then I was a very young man of about 25 years old, studying in King Saud University. for PhD and in Jamia, the King Muhammad University in Riyadh. So I am very happy now. I am also 56 years old, and I have been publishing and the printing, publishing, advertising, and the publishing in the all worldwide my international books, about 500, 1,500 books, literatures, editions, and the international Shah Jahan magazine, international publishing, and the worldwide I giving to my friends and in the all countries in the world, United States of America, in Paris, in London, in England, in European countries, in Sweden, Swedish, in Norway, and the France, and the Arab countries, in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, in Egyptian, African, South Africa, and in Australia, in Russia, in Japanese, in China, in the Scandinavia countries, Finland, and Netherlands, Ireland, and the New Zealand, and also in my mother parents, my father country, Pakistan, and my grandpa and grandparents' country, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, because my grandpa and grandparents and my real mother and father parents belong three languages. One of the Arabic language and the Urdu language and English language, because all languages I have been learning and by my greatest father, Mr. Al-Haj respected Dilbagh Muhammad, and my mother also. So God bless him and bless us, and God bless all of my friends, parents, and followers, and relations, and relatives, and the friends, and the national Pakistanis lovers, and the Pakistanis most welcome. So because I have already introduced, presented my international YouTube channel, messaging television channel, the universal, incredible, amazing, all voices, all TV voices, about all English voices, all voices, international VIP voices, talking studio. So I also most welcome to my all friends, VIP friends, royal friends, my Pakistani VIP friend, my international VIP friend on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, on the YouTube international television channel. Most welcome to invite you. I glad to happy and say one to happy, most welcome for the joining for the international human rights, for humanity, humankind services, honestly for the justice, for peace in the worldwide, truly, honestly, as a human being, as a great, honest and true person of the humanity, must, should, you have to do well done, work, well services for all of the worldwide countries. Also in the special countries where there are too much need and special needful people are living and crying to asking help and the fund, and I want to declare and I want to explain, and I am giving a very excellent good views for the United States of America and for the President of America. You must give him your fund and the help for helpless, for needful people in the all country of the world directly. Directly you give him to him home and door to door. Do not give him to any government countries, because they are all frauding and no helping, no giving fund and no supporting, no giving hospitality, medicine and fund and money and many things, because there are too much fraud in the world. Also America know all the fraud, and United States of America want and like truly honestly work for the humanity. I hope most welcome. Before Mrs. Clinton and Mr. Clinton also have been working for some NGOs in the worldwide and visiting worldwide to meet and direct giving, supporting, fund and help and doing the most welcome for the humanity, human rights, for the humankind services. I know that I am visiting all the websites and all the internet website of the America and international human rights NGOs. So, Mr. Trump, the President of United States of America, most welcome. Thank you. God blessing us and God blessed all the time, all the year for all Muslim and for all Christian, for all true human and honest human rights NGOs and department to helping, supporting directly to humans, home to home, door to door. That is a very big and correct and honest services. They belong for the greatest holy God service, because we trust and we followed and we believed. We stand for the God service ways, because the greatest holy God, the creator of the universal, is the greatest lovers and greatest love humanity, and because there are no any in the world, in the all universal except God. God is lover and the great helpful and supporter for the humanity, for human rights, for the humankind services, always sending messenger, prophet, holy books, but there are no believing and no praying for the God, no going on the way of the God, truth way of the God, and now going, there are no going truly, honestly in the worldwide in love life and his life, because that is a very effect and default and the fraud. If you believe God, if you trust God, if you followed God, but you are not doing anything truly, honestly, that is a very, very big fault in the all humans who those are frauding and making insult and making a fraud and dramabazi and the wrong politics and the wrong policy for the humanity, for the humankind services, for the human rights. That is a great advice for all true human. As a human being, must you have to do all things well done, truly to welcome, for truly, honestly, on the worldwide in over your life, love life, and honestly, truly, as a Bible say, as a great Bible book say, education say, as the greatest, the mother of the religious book, the Holy Quran al-Furqan al-Hamid, message for the love and humanity, truly, honestly, as a human being, for the service for the God, holy God. So that is a great, and always I am giving my message to help human rights, humankind services, humanity, truly, honestly, as a human being, as a good and true person. That is a very, very great victory and the great thanking of the God helping us and supporting us to guidance for the truth way, for his great holy education from the messenger and prophet books, which the God, greatest God, creator of the universal, has sent us by the prophets and by messengers. So most welcome our greatest God, our greatest holy God, creator of universal, our lover, and helping, supporting all the way, all the time, forever, all the way we are living around us and around the world. Most welcome and thank you for the God, holy greatest God, and messenger, and the education teacher and advisor and a scholar and philosopher and scientists are working for the humanity, humankind services, to love and making relationship, friendship, giving support, fund, and helping directly for the on the online and the to home in the any countries of the worldwide. So I am looking about the internet, international online American television and the CNN television and the American television and Fox News television and various kind of the United States of American online international television are giving a very good news from the new president, Mr. Trump, and for the Happy New Year, for the congratulation and the justice of the United States of American government for the election and the very truly and honestly and very white and very golden services in the worldwide, in especially in the United States of America. That is the theory and the project of election and the subject of election and the chapter of election are passed, and very happyful, very grateful justification to announcing, to winning, to nominees for the presidentship in the election. That is a very, very good working of United States of American government and justification and justice services. So nice. We are too much happy of the humankind services, humanity, and human rights in America, also in other countries. They are looking and forwarding, and also I am very, very happyful from the United States of America NASA division, the International Universal NASA Division, Space Program Planning of the International Science and Computer Technology and Sciences Department are working a very, very topest working in the worldwide, but there are no understanding of the general population of the worldwide in all countries, because there are no speaking English. So I have some planning program presenting on the Facebook and international YouTube television channel online, always after 1 week, day by day, and after every month in the years, about 10-20 messages I am leaving and giving to all for humanity, human rights, humankind services, to developing, to making a good welcoming for the new generation and the for old generation, oldest members, ladies and gentlemen, and new modern generation. They are looking for the new scientist theories, new lecture, new chapters, and the new moderation sciences project, new technology computer project to introducing on the in the our program for the new generation. Because and also I have international universal all voices TVs, televisions, English speeches, incredible, amazing talking studio. There are all international languages we will use about the VIP English languages, because in the worldwide, United States American English and the Great British England English, the two language of American and England English. I know in my best knowledge that two English are the very famous, and the internationally speaking to understanding, to following, to communication, to for the humankind services, for human rights, for the humankind services, for humanity, to love, make friendship, to gathering, to know each other, to making friendship and to helping, supporting all the time in the worldwide, all countries, online connection, communication with all government departments of American, United States, British, England, and Pakistan, and Saudi Arabia and Arab countries. Most welcome to communication, to reply and welcoming, to adjusting, online talking, in video talking, in messenger, in television talking, in messages talking. There are very, very big international technology, computer technology are the very, very greatest awarded work in the worldwide. But they are using, who are they using correctly, honestly, for the humanity, humankind services, for the human rights, truly, honestly, to communication, to make friendship, love, human brotherhood, all the way in the all countries. They are the best one and the best toppest person doing well, welcome and well done. They are very great person. So most welcome. I have many program of learning English, learning VIP languages, talking, amazing talking studios. We have the program of the science and science-based education, new computer technology, sciences, messaging programming. So we are giving message to make a good planning, to make and develop over this international YouTube television channel for the universal worldwide all humanity or humankind services and human rights for human rights services truly honestly best one and the like Mr. Trump say President of United States of America, they will develop America more than biggest and great America. So like I am doing, well done, welcome for the humanity, human rights, for humankind services. This my all international YouTube television is speaking and science days, science and technology, and human right gathering for brotherhood, for peace, for justice, for helping, for supporting. And the worldwide, the best one television, all voices, all universal voices, speech voices, talking, amazing talking studio. So I hope do well all time, to be truly, honestly, well done, welcome, and make brotherhood, speech English, follow English, the one speech, the greatest English speeches, talking with all humanity in the worldwide to make brotherhood, relationship, good relationship, truly, honestly, not fraud, not any drama, and any fraud is politician planning. Just humanity relation and relatives make a good relation, friendship, truly, honestly, in the whole worldwide, on internet, in Facebook, Instagram, and tutors, in the all planning, programming of the latest and oldest, in the internet, international communication services. Most welcome, always most welcome, with all greatest Creator, Universal God blessing with us and help us and supporting us. So I want to thankful to enjoying and the helping us, supporting us, and connection us and connect us online and all the way of the good link and contact and relationship for humanity, human services in our all field. I have about 250 Facebook international pages, various and many nominees for the humanity, humankind services in Pakistan, in European countries, in the United States of America, in Arab countries, in England. Alhamdulillah, I don't want to say more talk about against the humanity and humankind services. I am completed my doctorate of philosophy, international history, time, literature of the Arabian literature, of the English literature, of the Urdu literature, in Punjabi and Hindi literature. I have been completed my doctorate of philosophy I have been learning and completed my study from Los Angeles, from California, United States of America, and from England, from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, from the International Islamic University of Egyptian, from the International Baghdadi University of Iraq, and all universities from the subcontinent in Asia. That is not a very, very greatest planning, but that is my efforts, my parents, my great mom services for me, for helping, supporting, for education. So I have got and completed many PhD doctorate of international universal literature. Thankful God and thanks to Holy Greatest God, our greatest Creator God, and the greatest Holy Creator of the Universal God, and the Jesus, Son of the Holy Mary. Thankful, successful, give us the surprise, effort, fund, and my all accept my all prayer to the greatest holy God. Thankful for the all time and most welcome for our planning and our universal program and speeches program and neurosciences technology program and planning. Because there are in the worldwide the English countries, about the England, America, and European countries. Some European countries they use English, so they are the best one and the better than us because they are mother tongue. But in Arabian countries also there are Arabian tongue, mother tongue. They well know Arabian well than us, well than all other of the countries of the world. Like in Urdu in subcontinent, who like Urdu and understand Urdu language, Punjabi language, they are the better than of around the world countries because Urdu is the mother tongue of the Pakistan and subcontinents, various countries of the world, India subcontinent and Pakistan subcontinent language Urdu. So I said I have got the surprised education studies and the complete knowledge from my greatest father, from my greatest mother, from my greatest parents, grandpa, grandmom, in my home. After I have got English, Arabic and Urdu, after we got from the schools, colleges, universities, from the England, from the United States of America, from the Arabian countries, Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, Egyptian, Iraq, and from the Pakistan universities, from the India universities. That is a very, very big, greatest surprise have given us by my greatest father and my greatest mother. So thankful my mother and my greatest father and my greatest grandpa and mom. God give His greatest creator of the universal God give you and give all my parents and all my father and mother a very, very greatest blessing of the universal and for us, for all our followers, friends and humanity friend, humankind services friend in the all worldwide countries. Most welcome. Thank you very much. Most welcome my dears and friend again. I have giving you this message especially for the United States of America because there are elected nominees for the new president of the old president Mr. Trump. Now he is the great and new president of United States of America and for lover humanity, humankind services and human rights. Most welcome. Always to be a good, honest, sweet and sweet friend, sweet friendship for humanity, humankind services, human rights. Always most welcome all my United States American friends, ladies and friends, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen from the England, also Prince Charles, Lady Diana, children's most welcome, Prince and Princess. They are our grandmother Elizabeth, very, very great, sweet lady of the Great Britain and England. Hello, hi, thank you very much. You are always supporting for Pakistanis, for Pakistan, for the humanity, humankind services, for the peace and justice in the worldwide. I know you are all reported by the journalism and by internet, international news, televisions. So most welcome. I am very great, happy, full with all humankind services, owners, NGOs, and human rights services and humankind service helping, supporting, funding to directly door to door to helpless and helpful. So most welcome. Thank you very much. I always pray for God. Also Trump before on the Facebook saying he was saying that pray for me for elect a new president in the United States of America. So I too much pray to God, the creator of the holy God, the greatest holy God, the creator of the all universal lords. He is the greatest king and holy Lord and king. We believe, we follow, we trust, we pray to him for every day and night, all the prayer time. and blessing to get blessing of the God. Most welcome. Thank you very much. And the all my Muslim Brotherhood friend, all my English Brotherhood friend, all South African, Arabian countries, all Indian, Pakistani, Asian friends, most welcome. Thank you very much. That is a very, very good news and very happiness. Congratulations for United States of American nation. That is Trump is very, very good, and we have lead and we win again nominees the president of the United States of America. Most welcome. Thank you very much. Goodbye. God blessing again. See you next time. Inshallah, we are giving and planning and messaging on internet international. Thank you very much. Most welcome.